Welcome back to EXPLAINCAD. In this tutorial, we will know how to convert solid to sheet metal. First of all, I create a solid part. I select top plane, sketch, normal, select rectangle, center rectangle, right click, select option, smart dimension, 200 mm, and this side 110 mm. Right click, select option, come back from the sketch. Now go to features, extrude it, boss base, extrude it up to 25 mm. And here select draft, and the draft angle is 15 degree. Okay, now select sheet metal, and here is the option convert to sheet metal. Select it. Now first of all select fixed face. I select this face, and here is the sheet metal thickness. I select 2 mm, and here is the reverse thickness. Okay, keep body, uncheck it. I select bend radius 2 mm. Now select bend edges. I select this edge. All these 4 edges. It will automatically pick the rip edges, this gap, and here's the corner options. Open but this one, and next is overlap and underlap. I select open but, and here specify gap between these edges. If I enter 1.5 mm, here is the ratio of underlap to overlap. K factor 0.5. Auto relief OB round 0.5. You can change it to tier rectangular. It's up to you. I select OB round. Now select OK. Our solid part is converted into sheet metal. Now we can flatten it. See here it's flat pattern. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.